Hey everybody, here doing a quick video real quick. Just don't you love it when you come home and there's mail waiting for you at the door, especially when it has to do with your greatest obsession. So what we got here today was 3 plants. We usually order from Proven Winners. We went today and ordered from Hertz Garden, which sells Proven Winner stuff. We wanted 3 specific plants and I found what we needed. We got them in 4-inch pots. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain what we got here today. Please excuse the noise. We're doing this inside today. So we got kids running around, dogs barking, so don't mind any of that stuff. But let's get started. First, we got a summer wine 9-bark shrub. This one, we absolutely wanted one of these. Probably gonna place this in the backyard bed. This one's good for, it takes a lot of sun. It blooms on old wood and it blooms some pinkish flowers. Used more for like a border type plant. These are good from zones 3 to 7 and 8 as well. So this one will take us all the way to fall. It'll give us some nice foliage in fall. Hopefully it gets bigger than this. We started off small. It's kind of like an experiment for us to see how big we can get them to go. The next one that we have here is the Sunjoy Gold Pillar. Absolutely fell in love with these colors on this barberry. It grows out like a green and comes out like a very gold color. It doesn't burn in the sun, so it's very sun tolerant. It's part sun to sun. This one is also from zones 4 to 8. So far, we've seen this one in the bigger container. It looks absolutely wonderful. The leaves kind of resemble like a disc shape once they get taller. And again, we're starting this small and see how it gets as it gets bigger. The next one here we have is a lemony lace elderberry. Now this one is my favorite because I love Japanese maples, and this one perfectly resembles a Japanese maple. Don't know if you guys ever seen it, but there's a waterfall Japanese maple that I've been dying to get. This one resembles it a lot, so I'm excited to see this one grow and have kind of that Japanese maple effect. This one again is part sun to sun. It blooms on old wood and it has some white small flowers on it. It grows out red and then turns yellow to this bright green. Okay, so just so y'all know, with this packaging, like I said, we got from Hertz Garden. It came with some little styrofoam here. It came out good, nothing really crushed, damaged, or anything like that. Like I said, these are small 4-inch pots, so the only kind of damage you see is from them leaning up against them sides, but nothing dead. Everything looks nice and healthy. Once we get them in the ground, like I said, we'll keep them watered. Hopefully they grow faster than we can imagine them to grow. But this is what we got so far, and I'm very excited, like I said, to get these in the ground. Hope you guys like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We're coming out with new content all the time. And again, we'll see you guys next time we come out with another video.